Hi, today we're going to talk about Alta. It's a new tool that can allow you to make websites or can make you apps or even a chatbot for your business. And that's exactly what we're going to create. We're going to create a chatbot for your business in a few minutes that you can put it starting working for you in few steps. Let's start it. Hi. So let's do this. So without you can build apps and websites, chatbots without code. Today I'm gonna focus more on the chatbot, and I explain why in a minute. But yeah, it's based with AI, of course, and it has three different pricings. The main reason that I'm gonna do chatbot, it's because I'm using another free version. For the chatbot, you can do it. For the apps, it's really limited because you don't have basically all the features to create the app. Um, the same for the website. And I think the chatbot is something really interesting and helpful to make for your business. I'm gonna make it example for my website for the newsletter, but think about it for your restaurant, hotel, uh, every business that you can have. A chatbot can be useful. So this is the dashboard. I'm going to create a chatbot here and let's give it a name. I'll give it the name Bitbox and we can change the color. Okay. There's one thing that I honestly haven't figured out why it's like that, but it just looks weird. I don't know if it's the free version because it the end is only a trial, but in the free version you only have 50 chats a month, so you cannot really do a business with that. But it's the background. I'm going to show you what after it's done. So font size, and here I see like I help, for example, and here you can give commands like with the same chat GPT. You can give a role, you can give him some commands if you need. I'm going to skip this now. Um, Next step, that important PDF, Google, start from scratch. So you do it all add URL. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna click here, add link. It's gonna do the magic. It's gonna search the website. And okay, what do we want? We want all. Let's put all just because. And add that. Now it's uploading. We wait a little bit. It was 11. 10. Okay. So here they are. And next step, you can put buttons and questions. Enable chat with human. You have to have a Slack account. I'm not going to put this, and you need to be there, so there's no point. Buttons, if we want, let's say that we don't want an outline, and we want the button for people to subscribe to the newsletter or to go to the link to subscribe to the newsletter. So go. I'm just gonna pick up, copy the link. Okay, and subscribe. Show button. Let's take this out. We only want one button. No Q&A, but you can put, of course, you can put the questions and do the answers, of course. It's quite straightforward. AI model. In this case, we are using the free version, so only 3.5 is available. Next step. It's done. Here is the code. I'm gonna copy the code. I'm gonna put it in my website. As you can see here, to see how fast it is and how simple, there's no chatbot here. So I go to my Webflow account, and I add the script now, save, publish it, wait that Webflow publishes the website. Almost there, it's done. And let's go here, refresh, and here it is, the chatbot. This I tried it before. I think I wrote more in the sentence, so the button looks better because it looks down. I think in the pro version you can edit that. You can edit that also with custom code. That's what I do with the background that I'm going to show. So okay, we're here. This box. Hey, you don't know what it is, right? You just write this website. And let's give this website box. You just write. Okay, and this is the problem. This is in gray, and the letters are in white. So, but here is the text. I'm just gonna add the custom code. Wait just a bit. Show you. I have in Webflow, but yeah, I don't know why it's that happening. I actually already sent them an email. Hopefully I got news soon. I'm just publishing that. Basically, I just went to add a different background color to the website. See if it works. It doesn't. Yep. Wait a bit. Always good that things don't work when you are doing something, and I really don't want to cut the video because this happens in real life. And so let's just try to figure out why. Sorry that you're not seeing this, but I think there's no point to make more confusion about this. And okay, let's see. Publishing. Yeah, okay, so like this. It's orange, so I just change the background color. As a chat, you also can talk with them. So let's say, like for example, the capital of Finland. That's what I am. Oh, really? Okay. Actually, oh, okay. Because I did it that before, and I gave him a role, and he answered the questions that I asked him. And so let's see if we go back and customize the chatbot. You talk in English. You are a experienced travel agent. Loves to travel. Even that nothing to do with the website. Okay, it's done. So let's see. Okay, the capital Finland. Yeah, okay. So it's really about the role. Interesting. we have the pages. Let's see, I already asked what is the website about. Let's talk about tutorials. What are the tutorials available? Okay, so these are some of the tutorials that I have. Actually, they are not all here, but there is something. Let's see if I can go more deep. If I can ask, I don't know if it passed the interviews, but it passed the, just to make the last here. What if the text, for example, let's copy this. Okay, yeah. So this is a pretty short version of how you can make a short, easy chatbot for a website. And I think there's room for improvement, of course. But like I said, I'm only using the free version, and I'll say that with the pro version you can do much more, at least with the apps. I know that you can. I can show you even though a little bit of the apps before I go. Create app. There's some templates that you can choose: form quizzes, e-commerce marketplaces, and fintech, prop tech also. So, and then you can add the data, you can add the styles. The free version is really limited, like I said, but it's totally normal. But it's really easy to use, and I think you can start with for a small chatbot here. There's of course other options, but it's something that you should consider. And that was it for this week. I hope you like it, and see you next time. Bye.